Hi, boys and girls. This morning we're going to do a quick number line review and how we use the number line to add and subtract. So here is my number line. It goes from 0 to 20. But number lines can go on and on and on and on because there's always more numbers. Each number is one more than the last number. And I'm going to show you that in a demonstration that I did using pennies. Can you see how 0 has no pennies, and then 1 penny, and then we add one more and we have 2, then 3, then 4, and it goes on and on. On the number line, the next number is one more than the number before. That's a little rhyme for you. One more than the number before. So how do we use the number line to add and subtract? First, this is the symbol for adding. We call it an addition symbol or a plus sign, and these are the words that mean adding. Addition, add, plus, more, or greater. And we add on our number line. We go in this direction because the numbers get bigger and bigger in this direction, as I showed you with my pennies. And to subtract, this is the symbol for subtraction. We call it a minus sign. And these are words that mean subtract. Subtraction, subtract, minus, take away, less, or fewer. And when we subtract, we want to go this way on our number line because the numbers get smaller as we go down toward the 0. So let's try a couple of problems. When you have an addition problem, you might see it written like this, 3 plus 2, or you might see it like this, 3 plus 2. That means equals, means the same as that. So let's go to our number line. I'm going to start with my first number, which was 3. And I'm going to jump this way because I'm adding. So I'll go 3, and I'm going to jump. How many jumps? The second number tells me how many jumps. So I'll go 3, start on 3, and then I go 1, 2. And my answer is 5. Let's try that with the pennies, just to make sure that it came out right. If I have 3 pennies, 1, 2, 3, and I add 2 more pennies, 1, 2, then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I get the right answer? Yes, I did. So my answer for 3 plus 2 is 5. Now we'll do a subtraction problem. When I subtract, I'm going to go this way on my number line. So my subtraction problem is 3 minus 2. I have 3 and I want to take away 2. And you can see it in both formats, and let's do it on the number line. This time I'm going this way. So I start at the number 3, which was my first number, and I'm going to jump back 2 because that's my second number. So I'll go 3, and I go 1, 2. And what is my answer? It's 1. Let's check that out with the pennies. If I have 3 pennies and I take 2 away, 1, 2, how many do I have left? 1. Looks like we did a good job. So we would write on our paper, 3 minus 2 is 1. Let's do one more problem. Let's try 5 plus 3. Let's get a nice fresh new number line. So the first number is 5 and I'm adding. When I'm adding, I go this way. First number is 5. I go to 5 and I'm going to jump 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3. My answer is 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Now let's do a subtraction problem. When I subtract, I'm going that way because the numbers are getting smaller and I'm taking numbers away. Let's do 5 minus 3. Again, I go to my first number, which is the 5, and I'm going to jump back the second number, which is the 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. My answer is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. That was our quick number line adding and subtraction review. Hope to see you soon.